Hi everyone, this time I want to show you my Ksc GLOCK G34. You can see a Glock mark in here and here, and use 9mm bullet, but this gun gets blown back pistol, so use 6mm BB. And the magazine also can see a Glock mark, and I use Mega Pro. This is a really Mega Pro, not PTS. And this gun also can use 15 round magazine. It's very powerful. And on top, you can see a barrel. The barrel is longer, G70, so can shoot more long range. And the slide stop is bigger of G17, and the magazine hold is bigger too. So you can change magazine very fast.